In Baroness Lawrence and Others versus Associated Newspapers Limited, Senior Master Cook and Mr. Justice Nicklin determined two costs applications in multi-party litigation. The first was the defendant's application for a prospective order on adverse costs liability. Exercising its case management powers under Rule 3.1 and applying Stumm versus Dixon, the court held that any unsuccessful claimant would be severally liable for the defendant's individual costs, but jointly and severally liable with other unsuccessful claimants for common costs. The court found it imperative to determine this issue pre-trial, so claimants understood the consequences of their litigation strategy before incurring substantial trial costs. The second issue concerned competing Rule 3.15a budget variation applications. The court allowed variations for both parties at reduced sums, notably holding that costs of maintaining a legacy email archive, £357,919, were recoverable legal costs, not business overheads. The court also directed amendment of the November 2024 order to constitute a proper costs management order under Rule 3.15, paragraph 2. Quote, "In our judgment, the circumstances of this case do warrant making the order sought in relation to common costs at this stage. We accept the points made by Mr. Malaloo, King's Counsel, summarised at paragraph 11 above. As has been repeatedly observed by the judge, the claimant's cases depend not merely on them bringing the same central case, based on the similar fact and generic cases, but also on each individual claimant's own specific case being said to cross-support each of the other claimants' cases, and the collective case as a whole. In our judgment, it is imperative that the parties, and in particular the individual claimants, have the clearest possible understanding as to the consequences of the way in which this litigation is being conducted. If that means the individual claimants need to reassess their after-the-event cover, that can only be in their own best interests."
For a detailed summary of this decision, visit tmclegal.co.uk.